Hello sewers and welcome. I'm Debbie from Sew Simple Bags. Just a quick video today to introduce you to an exciting new pattern just released on the website today. This is our Malvern Zipper Pouch. This is a classic zipper pouch bag that can be used in so many versatile ways. It can be used as a clutch bag for a night out or just as a simple storage bag for all your bits and pieces. It comes in 4 sizes, so let's take a look. This is the small. It's kind of cute. I like to use this when I am going out for a minimalist night out. This one is just enough when I need to take my phone, a little bit of cash, a couple of bank cards and a lip gloss. That one's the small. Then we have the medium. Again, this one makes a great evening out clutch bag or just for something you can slip inside a main purse, perhaps, if you want to keep a few things organized. If I need to take car keys as well as all my other bits, I'll take the medium. This one is the large. This could make a great size cosmetics bag. And this one is the extra large. Plenty of room inside there to store all your bits and pieces. So let's put them all side by side, line them all up, and you can see the different sizes. So there we go, small, medium, large, extra large. These are all really easy to sew, so if you've not sewn zippers before, do not worry. I'm going to take you through this every step of the way. There are 2 options with this pattern. If you're more confident and don't need the video, then you can just grab the written pattern with the step-by-step photo instructions. If you're new to sewing and you need a little bit more help, then it also comes with a full video tutorial. The video tutorial goes really slow. I take you through absolutely everything, from downloading and assembling the pattern to several ways you can cut out the fabric, to the use of fusible interfacing, how to install the zipper, and of course the entire sewing tutorial step by step from start to finish. So I hope you like the look of the Malvern Zipper Pouch. If you would like to take the video class for this one or add this pattern to your pattern stash, then hop on over to Sew Simple Bags. The link for the pattern is underneath the video in the video description. Thanks very much. See you here again soon.